So that's what we got working on the inside?
Yep, that's the inside damage that you were speaking of.
Great. So this is the big thing. This is what we need to really focus on with our homeowners and making sure that they understand what a proper install looks like so that we don't have to have this situation here where we have these homeowners calling us. And I'm not upset to get the business, but I am upset that I have to deal with homeowners, or that we have to deal with homeowners, trying to educate them that it wasn't done the right way. I don't like to run us over people saying they didn't do it the right way or they didn't expect it.
That's a bad taste in their mouth about solar.
I think that's really why solar is becoming an issue. Didn't we have some issues with some pest traps recently too?
Well, here you can see it peeling off.
So this was an inspection we did. Another solar company installed this.
Correct, and it's peeling off. And
so they just didn't install it right. Are you seeing that they're fastening into the panels a lot too now?
So some companies will screw into the panel, which can void the warranty on the panel if they don't have a written letter from that company prior.
Yeah,